In this video, I'll show you how people are making over $100 every single day using ChatGPT, and how you can do it too. No skills, no investment, just your phone or laptop. Let's begin. Step 1. Freelancing. The first way is freelancing with ChatGPT. Offer writing services, YouTube scripts, or social media captions on Fiverr or Upwork. Use ChatGPT to write faster and deliver more. That's how freelancers make $52 to $200 daily. Step 2. Digital products. Next, create digital products using ChatGPT like ebooks, templates, or guides. Ask ChatGPT to write your ebook or design your course outline. Then sell it on Seller, Gumroad, or Etsy. You only create it once, but it keeps earning forever. Step 3. YouTube automation. You can also use ChatGPT to write full YouTube scripts for faceless channels, like this one. Combine it with stock videos, AI voiceovers, and tools like Pexels or CapCut. Once your channel gets monetized, you earn daily from ads. Step 4. Social media content. Use ChatGPT to create short content for TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook Reels. Post motivational quotes, AI tips, or business ideas. Build followers and get paid through sponsorships or affiliate links. Step 5. Affiliate marketing. Finally, use ChatGPT to write product reviews and email scripts for affiliate marketing. Share links from ClickBank or Digistore24. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn commissions automatically. So those are 5 proven side hustles with ChatGPT that can make you $100 or more daily. Which one will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI money tips every week.